Hello, this is a road plate set by Lego, the modular system. It's been introduced in 2021. This is the actual box with the set number. An easy upgrade is to install an LED lights kit. I will switch it on. So as you can see, there are 4 lights. The traffic lights don't actually work, but yeah, well, it gets the idea across. It's just fun. So an actual kit, I have it here, it looks like this. So you have the actual parts, and there's a manual with a description in steps. Here, for instance, to install the wires onto the plates. So you just have to twist them around and then connect the plugs into the sockets. So one other thing I found out is that, and I will show you here, this wire is right in the middle of the frame. This has been repaired. The wire actually got tangled and pinched between 2 plates, and so yeah, it needed to be repaired. So there's one thing to keep in mind. Other than that, yeah, it's a real nice upgrade. Thank you. Bye bye.